Today I'm going to tell you about this astronaut-like face mask that I've been using for the past 3 months and it has given me wonderful results. It is basically an LED mask. Basically these are the LEDs and these are basically the solution for all of your skin problems. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I'm Dr. Asma and today we'll talk about LED face therapy for different skin issues. And I will share the link to buy this face mask in the description box below, and it has been scientifically proven to benefit many of the skin health issues. All these are LEDs and these are controlled by this remote control thingy. You can actually change the colors. You can see right now it is red. What you have to do is basically you have to wash your face, free it from any debris, dirt, oils. Once your face is clean, then you have to take off any of the glasses or any accessories that you are wearing. Basically, you have to put it on your bare skin like this. So once you put it, you can use it for 30 minutes a day, not more than 30 minutes. And I'll tell you what each of these lights actually does for your skin. So the red light promotes collagen formation, green light reduces skin oil secretion, blue light inhibits the bacterial activity, it inhibits inflammation. And then the cyan light promotes metabolism, the purple light repairs acne, and yellow light, it replenishes the energy to skin cells. And finally, the white light is wonderful for improving the fine lines and it also improves the loose skin. And once you have used this face mask for 30 minutes, say for example for any of the skin conditions, or you can alternate the lights also. But in one sitting, you should not be more than 30 minutes. So then you will turn off your light like this. And you will use it on alternate days. Don't use it daily because excess of anything good is bad for you. I've been using this mask for many months now and I feel it works wonderful, especially if you pair this face mask with other of the healthy cosmetics that we have made, like the serum and the body butter, because it improves the absorption of all the actives in the face serum as well as in the body butter. So let me know in the comment section below, did you use this face mask and what wonders has it done for your skin, especially when you combine it with other healthy skincare products. So take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.